Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 20th, 2022. I'm going to show you all the opportunity that is still here into the market in Snap. You guys can see I did the price prediction for Snap on February the 5th. Here we are today, March the 20th. And you guys can see what the price has done against my idea. I was looking for the price of Snap to continue to go up. And the price, you guys can tell, it did go up minor. We were in profit for a couple of trading days, but it was only minor. The market strength could not take the price up to $45, even $47. I'm here to show you all if there is still a big opportunity in this play, because if so, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market Snap. If not, we're going to play the weakness. All right, so if you guys want to join me, welcome to the team. Hit the like button, sit everything, also subscribe here to the channel. But first, before I show you if there is any opportunity here into the market in Snap still, let's talk about what the price has done so that we can become better stewards as to how the market really works without confusion. All right, so look at this. All right, this is the daily time frame. Like I said, I was playing the strength into the market at Snap. These 3 days right here, we got to pay attention to what the market drops for us. So this is restriction, right? Yes, this is the restriction area into the market in Snap on a short-term basis, i.e. on a daily time frame. So we can expect the market in Snap to find sellers in this range. It's just that simple. Because if the sellers wasn't controlling the market here, price would have inevitably continued to go up, but it didn't. So this is where the sellers are at. Okay. So even though we saw the last 4 days in Snap going up, we got to understand that we're about to embark on an area that they couldn't move up above. Okay, so be prepared for that. Now, the market in Snap continued to go down, right? So you might be saying, well, it looked like your price prediction was incorrect. It wasn't right. It went wrong. No, it didn't. I told you all where the buyers are going to show up at. And if the price didn't break this support area of $28.50, then we're going to continue to play this trend into the market in Snap. You haven't seen that? You haven't heard when I told you all that? Go back and listen to my last video, right? So even though the price in Snap did go down, it didn't break below our support area. So it just simply means that this play that I did in February, this is going to take a long time for the market to go to where we expect it to go. The market weakness did not impact Snap's price of breaking it down below $28. So we're still sitting pretty right now. Okay, we're still sitting in a good position to see the market in Snap go up, right? But this was the biggest opportunity to come in and grab some of that stock right there, where I told you all that the buyers needed to hold, and they confirmed that right here. So were you able to grab that opportunity, or were you sitting in the sideline? Now check this out. Let me show you all the weekly time frame here in Snap and show you why I'm still expecting this stock to go up, right? I'm still looking for the price to go up, but seeing how the market went down so fast after I did my price prediction in February, I need to be a little bit less bullish, right? Let's just say that I need to be a little bit less bullish into the market in Snap. And that area that I've circled earlier in the video, that is where we need to be prepared to possibly take the bag. And I know that the profitability may be minor, but it's profitability. You don't want to overstay your welcome in the markets. Like it's an alligator infested waters right here when you come into the stock market. You don't want to get bitten. You just want to come in and grab the bag and move on to the next play. The longer that you hold these stocks, the greater that you're going to get bitten. And we don't like to get bitten. So check this out. I still see the strength here. So I still suspect that the market in Snap is going to go up. Okay. Basically what happened over the last week. Last week's trading has confirmed that the buyers are now controlling the market to where we can actually see this price come back up to around $40, around $42 right there. Okay. So now, since we got that displayed, let me show you what we have on the 3-day time frame. Okay, so even here on the 3-day time frame, we're noticing that there's still some strength here into the market. Now, like I said, I'm not massively bullish. Like I'm not looking for the price of Snap to come up here right now. I'm not, because of this area of restriction that I identified earlier in the video, right? So now let me do this. I'm going to play the strength into the market in Harmony 1, right? I mean, not Harmony 1, but in Snap. I'm still going to look for this play to go up. Now, I'm not going to be massively bullish though. I want everyone to understand that. But I'm going to keep the possibility of seeing Snap come up here to 48 though. I'm not looking for it to happen, but if it does, great. I'm looking for the price to possibly come up here to $40 to $42, and I'll just take the play out there. No more, no less, right? This is how you're able to not be emotional into the market when you're not in a profitable position. You're willing to take whatever the market gives you. And seeing that the market here in in Snap is still giving us the ability to go up, we're going to continue to follow that, but we're just going to lower our expectations as to how high this market is going to go. Okay. So let me show you the monthly time frame real quick. And let's say in the next 11 days and 5 hours, that Snap closes at the high of this monthly price bar right here. Oh yeah, definitely be prepared for the market to go to 48 with no issues from a longer term basis, from a monthly time frame. So we still got 11 days and 5 hours left. That is why I wanted to prepare you all as to how I will play this market, because I'm still seeing strength on this chart. But if I still see weakness in selling coming to the market right here around 42, I need to let that go and take the bag. That's around 7% versus 22, 23. So hopefully I explained that pretty good for you all. I'm still looking for the price in Snap to go up, but I'm definitely going to be a little bit more vigilant as to whether or not the buyers are going to be able to break price above $42. Because if not, then we need to take the bag there. But let's say the buyers do. Let's say that they do break the price above that. Then we can sit pretty and just let the market continue to go up. That's it. This is not hard. This is not complicated. We got a plan. We got an agenda as to how we're going to attack the market in Snap. So I'm going to continue to keep this price prediction on the table. I'm going to hold this line here because it's either going to be up here around 42 or down here. Okay, so like 40 to 42. You just have to really eye the market to see how weak the sellers come in. If the sellers really come in, we won't even hit up here around 42. They'll come in around 40 or maybe a little bit lower. So just keep your eyes open on that. All right, so that's it. I'm done. It is back over to the daily time frame, so you all can see what I'm expecting the market to do. Use it closer, and that's it. Now I want to know though, how would you attack this market? Where do you think the price in Snap is about to go? Are we going to continue to go up? Or are we going to go down? At what level do you see the sellers appearing on this chart? Drop me a comment real quick and tell me. All right, make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.